in Block State Highway 16 southbound, Long Reach River, Richmond, Sedan, on Muslim, going north on the southbound side. Code 2, turn south.
Your incident has been updated.
San Antonio 911, this is Liliana, do you need police, fire, EMS?
Probably the police. I'm over here at apartments at Stone Oak, right by the golf course. I'm a piece of shit myself. They better be careful. I have high-power rifles and everything. If they come at me, I'm coming at them.
This now is going to be the same now on P card 154.
San Antonio 911, do you need police or an ambulance?
I need the police. It's emergency, hurry. My son has my gun and he's outside. He's shooting.
Oh, thank you, monitoring the shooting squad that we got in.
Yeah, what's your purpose?
Apartment.
Your vehicle's facing that building. Is that the building in question, or it's going one directly to your left?
Should we stage? We need to get her out of here. No. Directly ahead and to the left is the apartment on the bottom. I'll go with you. I'll go with you.
Okay, copy.
I'm hit! James, where are you at? Ferguson, where are you at? We're at the building in front of his. We're by the southern corner.
Eagle, he is in the back of that building pointing the gun at me. He's in the back.
Here.
You got a couple hits.
The additional officers or the SP?
Eagle, I think we might have more officers hit. They took rounds and there were shots fired again.
Rescue, I need to know if officers are down or not. As soon as you come in, it's going to be towards building 10. He's shooting outside the window. We got 2 officers shot. We need that armor in front of that window.
Obstruction. I'm moving backwards. I'm hit! I'm hit!